Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on your KuCoin account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KuCoin application on your device. And once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, tap on the login button and proceed forward with your email address and your password, or by using your Telegram account. Now, since there is no direct option to change your email address within the application, you will need to submit a support ticket. Tap on your username at the top left corner and then tap on the arrow icon at the right side of your email address. You can then tap on the book icon at the top right and then tap on submit a ticket. Now within this page, just click on the drop down menu and then choose account. Now type in your current email address and then within the account issue section, choose the email issue option. Then enter your registered email address or phone number and type in your desired new email address as well. Then within the subject section, type in change email address. Then within the description, just type in that you wish to change your email address on your account to the one that you mentioned within this email. Make sure to also mention this email once again within the description box. And now underneath priority, choose urgent. Finally, click on the submit button and this will submit your ticket to change your email address to the KuCoin support team. Once they have received your request, you will receive an email from which you can follow the instructions and you will be able to change your email address right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on the KuCoin app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.